Let's start by unboxing the Eyeball Earwear Bluetooth earphones. So these are the contents in the package. You get these earphones. The earbuds magnetically attached to each other. They're angular. It tells you when they're on, it's connected, it's disconnected, it's pairing, etc. You get this USB type A charger. You get these extra earbuds in a packet. You get the carry-on case and a user manual. So just a quick disclaimer before I start with the Sony. I have used both the earphones, but I just put them back into their original packages to show how the unboxing looks like. And let's start with the Sony. You get the earphones on top. You get the user manual and some extra earbuds in the bottom. So now we have the Sony earphones. Now these earbuds fit in really good in your ears. The headphone jack is L-shaped to prevent a lot of bending and harm to the earphone. And it's a pretty well-rounded earphone. It has extra bass, Dolby audio, which make it really pleasant to listen music from. It costed about 2099 rupees in deal. You can get it for around 2000 rupees now, I believe, on Amazon. The original MRP of this product is 2500 rupees. So as I said, these eyeball earphones have earbuds which magnetically attach to each other. The company says that the battery life will be around 3.5 hours, but these are really loud earphones. So typically I keep it at around 8 to 12 volume, which let it last for about 5 hours. It takes around 10 minutes to charge, 10%. And it has angular earbuds which fit in easily into your ears. You have a dedicated power off, volume up, volume down button. These volume up and down buttons can be used to go front and back in your playlist. This power button can also be used to call an assistant, the virtual assistant on whichever device you're using. Now they also have these small air vents rather, which prevent them from being vacuumed in your ears. It costed me around 450 rupees in a deal. The MRP of this was around 2300 rupees. So wireless earphones essentially don't mean wireless, as you still need to charge them. So it's more like a where do I put my plug scenario. You either put it in the headphone jack or you put it in the charging adapter. And let's face it, the future of earphones is wireless. Like sure, the Galaxy A51 does have a headphone jack, but many higher end phones like the Galaxy S21 Ultra don't have a headphone jack. So as long as you have an option, I would personally prefer wired earphones as they're less hassle.